Welcome to the review source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best first aid kits for camping, ranked by performance, reliability, and what real campers say in the field. Whether you're heading out for a short hike, a weekend at the campsite, or a longer backcountry trip, the right first aid kit can turn a stressful situation into a manageable one. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. MyMedic Standard Comprehensive First Aid Kit. The MyMedic Standard Comprehensive First Aid Kit is one of the most professional-grade outdoor kits you can buy. With over 200 individual items, it's built for adventurers who want to be prepared for anything, from small cuts and scrapes to sprains, dehydration, and even serious trauma. The outer shell is rugged and water-resistant, built to handle the rough treatment of camping life. You can toss it in a trunk, strap it to the outside of a pack, or keep it in your RV without worrying about wear. Open it up and you'll find one of its biggest strengths: organization. Each section is clearly labeled by type of injury or condition, so you won't waste precious minutes searching for the right supplies. Inside, the tools are thoughtfully chosen and built to last. EMT shears slice through clothing without hesitation. Tweezers grip splinters and ticks with accuracy. Gloves hold up without tearing, and the emergency blanket is heavy-duty instead of flimsy. Real-world campers say this kit provides peace of mind on scout trips, family outings, and long expeditions because it doesn't just look complete, it actually delivers when used. The trade-off is size. It's larger and heavier than a lightweight kit, but that's part of its purpose. It's comprehensive. If you want a kit that feels like having a medic in your pack, the MyMedic Standard is one of the most reliable safety nets you can carry into the wild. Number 2, Adventure Medical Kits Mountain Series Hiker. For hikers and campers who want something lighter, the Adventure Medical Kits Mountain Series Hiker is an excellent choice. Designed for 1 or 2 people on shorter trips, it strikes a balance between portability and preparedness. The case is slim and book style, sliding neatly into a backpack without eating up valuable space. Open it, and you'll see a series of transparent pockets that make supplies visible and accessible. Everything is neatly arranged so you can grab what you need quickly. The contents are well suited for trail injuries. You'll find adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, wound closure strips, pain and allergy medications, and importantly, plenty of moleskin for blisters. Hikers consistently mention the moleskin as a lifesaver during long treks, when blisters can otherwise ruin the trip. The Mountain Series Hiker doesn't include advanced trauma tools, but that's not its mission. Instead, it focuses on the issues most likely to occur on short hikes or weekend camps: scrapes, blisters, and minor sprains. Reviewers praise its balance, saying it feels reassuring without being bulky. If you're a lightweight backpacker who values efficiency, this is a compact kit that still has your back. Number 3, Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit. The Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit is designed for clarity and durability. The exterior is made of heavy-duty 600D polyester, which is both abrasion-resistant and water-repellent, ensuring it lasts through years of use. It also features MOLLE webbing, so you can attach it securely to tactical gear, vehicles, or backpacks. Inside, the standout feature is labeling. Every pouch and elastic strap is marked: burns, cuts, sprains, hydration. So when stress is high, you won't waste time digging. This labeling system is one of the most practical designs you'll find in any first aid kit. The contents are extensive. You'll get strong trauma shears, a CPR mask, antiseptic wipes, triangular bandages, splints, nitrile gloves, medical tapes, and plenty of adhesive bandages. Unlike many lower quality kits, the tools here are not filler. They're sturdy, reliable, and made to be used repeatedly. Campers and outdoor enthusiasts love how user-friendly this kit is. Reviews highlight that it's easy to restock, easy to deploy in emergencies, and rugged enough to hold up after repeated trips. The Surviveware kit is a little bulkier than small kits, but for extended camping or group outings, the organization and depth make it one of the best you can buy. Number 4, Adventure Medical Kits Mountain Series Explorer. The Mountain Series Explorer is aimed at larger groups and longer adventures. Built for 4 or more people, it provides a wide range of supplies in a compact, efficient design. The case itself is rugged and weather-resistant, perfect for rafting, mountaineering, or multi-day trekking where conditions can be tough. Inside, the Explorer expands on the Mountain Series layout, offering greater capacity and more medications. You'll find sterile dressings, gauze rolls, splints, adhesive bandages, pain and allergy meds, elastic wraps, antiseptics, and more. One particularly helpful inclusion is a physician-written medical guide. This small book provides clear, step-by-step instructions for handling common outdoor injuries. For non-medical users, this guide is a confidence booster, turning a stressful moment into a manageable one. Campers and guides who use the Explorer often call it a trail clinic. It's reliable enough for larger groups while still packing small enough to fit in a backpack or dry bag. Reviews highlight how it gives leaders and trip organizers reassurance that they can handle both everyday cuts and more serious issues. For expedition-style camping, the Explorer is a professional-level choice that scales well.
Number 5. Rhino Rescue All-Purpose Professional First Aid Kit. The Rhino Rescue All-Purpose Kit is a versatile, well-rounded option that balances capability with affordability. It's a kit that works just as well for car trips and RV camping as it does for nights in the woods. The case opens flat with elastic straps and compartments to keep items secure and visible. This organized approach prevents supplies from spilling or getting lost, even after repeated use. Inside, you'll find a full set of essentials: bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, medical shears, tweezers, gloves, wraps, cleansing pads, and an emergency blanket. Importantly, the tools feel solid and purposeful. Nothing is cheap filler. Families and casual campers like how portable it is, with many reviewers mentioning they keep it in the trunk or glove box year-round. While it doesn't have the brand recognition of MyMedic or Adventure Medical Kits, users consistently report that the quality and organization exceed expectations. For anyone who wants a dependable first aid kit without overspending, Rhino Rescue is a smart buy. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best first aid kits for camping. From the professional level coverage of the MyMedic and Surviveware kits, to the lightweight efficiency of the Adventure Medical Kits, to the versatile dependability of Rhino Rescue, each one is designed to give you peace of mind when you're outdoors. Thanks for watching Review Source. Links to all the products are in the description below. If you found this roundup helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which kit you trust for your next adventure. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.